This is more of the spindle drive. That little motor provides really nice resolution at slow speeds, or through its whole power range. It's very smooth, faster. Don't know that anybody would ever use that down that low. It's about 12 hertz. You could actually do some good with this on like scales or some very fine detailed work, doing tiny removal of some kind. I mean, you're not going to win any races, but if you're doing some real detailed work, it gets down slow well. This is about an 8th power setting. Like I mentioned in the previous video, if you want more material, if you want material to come off faster, then you run the belt faster. And so when you're going slow like this, you don't put a lot of pressure on there. You use the belt speed to remove faster. I'll run up to about a 1/4 speed. Hit it up to 1/2 speed. It gets a lot more serious there. 3/4 speed. Able to put a lot of pressure on it with one hand. You see here, if I can see what it was. Alright, it was an 80. But it's been really well used. It's worn way down. I just use it now for around the shop work and testing and kind of set up the machine some. So sharper belt would actually have shredded a lot more material off than that.